Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Colourpop brow kit. So it's called Best in Brows and I got the color Soft Black. So it looks like this. First one is the Precision Brow Pencil, which has a spoolie, and the second one is Brow Boss, also has a spoolie. I don't know what the difference is, but I'll go ahead and twist it up. It's like a fine line. It looks a little different. I don't even know how to use it. You can kind of see the tip right there, but oh, okay, so you twist it like they're both about the same size. So I have no idea what the difference is. This is the Brow Boss. So the Brow Boss is a micro-tipped pencil designed to mimic fine hair-like strokes to define a shape brows for a fuller looking natural and look. Who knows? The next item is the Colourpop Take for Granite brow color. I guess that's the name of it. It looks like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a Morphe brush, the M158. Oh, I took too much. It's really gliding on, which I really like. It kind of reminds me of the Morphe one, how it just glides on. Okay, I am super impressed. The only thing that's like is because I don't have any hairs right here, so it's really hard, but I'm loving it. Like, I'm loving the color too. The color is very pretty. Wow, I'm loving this. So this brow is a little crazy, don't mind it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tarte Shape concealer and my concealer brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and start fixing this. I do want to let you guys know that I feel like that pomade is almost like butter. Like, it really did a great job in like blending onto my face. I don't know how to explain it. The last product in the best in the brow kit is the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel, and this is in Soft Black. I thought it was gonna be in translucent, but I guess darker the better. It has a cute little spoolie like this, and I love to use this on my inner hairs, my inner brow hairs, because those are the ones that really like to lay down. So this is how the brows look. They're a little uneven. Now that I finished with my entire face and I've worked around my brows, I can say that I do give this product a 10 out of 10, only because the pomade is what I really like to use. And I also like to use actually I like to use all these products, like not all those products, but like I like to use these kinds of pencils, the pomades, fudge my life. Okay, scratch all that out. I do use similar things. Like I do use a brow cream, I do use the pencil, I do use the mascara to hold your hairs in place, and I really do feel like this is compared to as like Morphe's product. The only thing that's different is that this one actually dries, and that's something that I kind of like, kind of don't like. I guess like when it dries, like it's kind of hard to fix. But what I really like about the pomade is how you literally slide it on your face like butter, and there's no patchiness. I love it. And I guess like after a good few minutes, like I remember I think when I was doing my face, I felt them kind of dry. So I was like, oh, okay. But I'm not sure if it's the mascara that has them in place or what it is, but they do feel pretty stiff. And I know that my brows aren't going anywhere. So I really love that about Colourpop. It's another thing. The kind of downside about it is how it has two brow pencils. And I really don't know what the difference is between them, but they both work pretty good. I did swatch the other one and they are just about the same color. It's like the same thing. I don't know if it's like a backup one or what it is, but this, I think it retails for like about $22 or 20 something dollars. I believe I got it for $18, which isn't that bad because it's like a whole kit. So I do recommend you getting this. The color selection was pretty on. My hair is black, so soft black would go with me. I think that's it. There's really nothing else that I wanted to mention about this product. But thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.